With everyone accounted for, DC can focus on the fire.
Yeah, we're just around the corner from the river here, guys.
161's on scene.
Waiting up by the driveway.
A Swiss Army knife of fire trucks, Slave Lake's Engine 161 is usually first on the scene. Carrying 1,500 liters of water and a deck gun that can knock out a fire with over 400 pounds of pressure per square inch.
Pier 151 is on scene.
Tanker 151 carries 2,500 gallons of water for a truck-to-truck water supply. There are no fire hydrants in these rural communities, so firefighters have no choice but to bring their own water.